Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physiology in medical school. Start by focusing on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just memorizing facts. Try to connect what you're learning to real-world clinical situations right from the beginning. This approach makes the material more relevant and easier to grasp. Also, incorporate active recall techniques like flashcards or self-quizzing to significantly improve your long-term memory and retention. To truly master physiology, try drawing out complex processes. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can clarify intricate pathways and relationships. Another effective strategy is to explain concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone else. This helps identify gaps in your understanding. Additionally, consider forming a small study group to discuss challenging topics and learn from different perspectives. When it comes to resources, don't limit yourself to just one textbook. Explore various online platforms and different authors to gain a broader understanding. Crucially, practice regularly with question banks. This is vital for exam preparation and applying your knowledge. Also, make an effort to connect physiological principles with pharmacology, understanding how drugs interact with body systems. For long-term retention, spaced repetition is incredibly powerful. Regularly revisit material at increasing intervals to solidify it in your memory. Focus your review on high-yield topics that frequently appear in exams and clinical practice. Finally, always strive to integrate physiology with other medical subjects like pathology and anatomy. This holistic approach builds a robust foundation for your medical career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.